So take your sheet and mark the pattern shown here. The size is at the bottom right corner of the picture. 3 inch broad, then 1 inch broad, then again 3 inch broad, again 1 inch broad, and then again 3 inch broad. Make those lines on all the 4 sides and you will receive this pattern. Now going to the corners, you have to follow those steps which I am doing. You have to make this pattern following the shape I have made. On 2 sides they will be facing each other, and on 2 sides there will be a rectangular shape formed. Now coming to the center, you have to mark the square which have been formed when we were making the grid. Now cut out the parts which I am scribbling up.
Now crease the sides according to the lines which we have made.
Now fold the sides by just following what I am doing. Insert it inside like me. Cut out the excess paper left at the corners.